Down for it.
Ain't got any tools on you, do you?
What you after? I don't know.
Just a ratchet. Just want to unscrew a little bolt.
We have my car, maybe, but it's not landing. Are you going in, John?
Please tell me that just came up. That bird was like, at a car meet this is. Got any chewing gum? Geezer was there like, what's the matter? You're gurning. Kitty's doing MD at a car meet though. Got it.
Got it. Yeah, too late. Yeah, too late.
Ideal.
Does that sound louder then?
So, we're here at a regular pool hose bay car meet. Waiting behind a popo. They've come here to show off their wheels. Let's have a little looky round. This is like where all the boys come down to basically show off the size of their penis with their wheels. So yeah, let's just see. You got your Christmas cards going on, getting in the festive swing of things. Yeah, I know. Little kitties warning me of the police. Isn't that a beauty? That is a mean motherfucking bike right there. Isn't she tasty? Suck on my flames, bitches!
Don't know where the roses are. Huh?
Go on then. Give you a little one. Safe. I'm on my way. See you in a bit. Give him one final one for the road. So yeah, that's the hose bay car meet. It's basically like a massive place for all the boys to get together, show off their wheels, and they do specific ones as well. So the one I went to recently was one for the Lexuses more, and a whole group of Lexus IS20s went down. But yeah, I don't tend to go to many car meets, obviously riding a bike, but it is nice to go down and see what people are riding nowadays, see the kind of different cars. But yeah, it's crazy, like whoever's got the nicest looking, fastest, loudest car. There's something about it that kind of tests your manhood in a way. Guys will forever be showing off in their cars as a status symbol. Yeah, I don't know how I'm going to put it together, to be honest, because inside that I didn't really know what to chat about and that. So it's probably just going to be, and if it is, I apologise, just a bunch of random clips and that, of just some cars, but who knows. I think down where I am on the south coast, there's not really any large motorbike meets, and I think it would be nice to have some kind of bike meet as well, because yeah, it's cool to see each other's bikes and show off what you've got, and I think there's not enough of that, and it would be cool if there was some more. Quite nice at the moment, even though it's winter, riding at this time of night, because the roads are still incredibly dry, and it's just nice the fact the weather doesn't go too bad around here. Like at the moment it's 20th of December, 19th, 20th, something like that, and there's a lot of places in the country you would not have weather like this. So as much as Christmas weather is normally bad, yeah, granted, right now it's actually quite nice. For me, I've never really seen the appeal of glamming up your car in that way. Like, I don't think it looks good when you buy a cheap-ish car like that and just throw a load of money at it. I think I'd rather just start by buying a pretty nice car, like a nice BMW or Mercedes or something, and just have it as a nice car kind of thing, if that makes sense. But it's nice going to car meets like that where antisocial behaviour in such a big crowd is just so accepted. Like for me, it's not something I'd ever normally do. My baffle stays in the majority of the time I ride. I don't tend to ride with my baffle out. But it's nice going to a meet like that where behaviour like that, like you can be a bit of a dick, to be honest. Like normally I have very little respect for it. I don't really like it when people are just being yobby, kind of like Asbo, when there's no need to be, when it's just in a public area, it's not too nice. But yeah, the fact it's organised car meets, like the police are there, the police have their cars set up and they just accept it, like they just let them do their thing, so as long as it doesn't get silly. My burnout probably was a little bit silly, but so long as you don't get too stupid, the police don't actually mind it, to be honest. And if you're being silly there, they don't define you or anything like that. They don't tend to do that. They tend to just ask you to leave, but it's cool. Like the police, they are pretty relaxed at times. Like they don't tend to be assholes the whole time, and I like that. I think that's good. I definitely think police have a bad rep that they don't deserve. I don't actually dislike the po-po per se. They can be dicks, don't get me wrong, but in comparison to countries like America, the police aren't actually that bad. Police here are pretty tame. Ooh, indicating a bit late there, aren't you? It just gets so loud, like almost unhandleable for me. Like personally, I feel a little bit awkward going along when she's so loud. It is quite a cringy thing. I'm not too keen on it, but that's just me. Some people are okay with it, but I personally, I like to just kind of keep my head down generally. So guys, right now I'm back where I belong. Let's kill that switch. I'm done, and I'm gonna say good night.